Good morning, sir. Myself J. Vindushree from CSCA. My topic explain about types of concrete. Concrete is a versatile building material, and there are various types of design to meet specific structural, environmental, or functional requirements. Below are the most common types of concrete. The article will explore the three most common types of concrete: cast in place, precast, and prestressed. Cast in place concrete is the most common concrete in construction. It is made by the casting mixture of concrete, water, and aggregates, stocks, rocks, and etc. Normal concrete description: this is the standard type of concrete used for most construction projects. Components: a mix of cement, water, sand, and aggregates. Uses of normal concrete: general construction like buildings, roads, and pavements. And next, reinforced concrete description: concrete that is reinforced with steel bars or mesh to improve its tensile strength. Components: concrete with the embedded reinforcement steel. Reinforced steel concrete uses structures that require more strength, such as bridges, high-rise buildings, and dams. Prestressed concrete description: concrete that is preloaded with steel, though tensioned steel tendons before being subjected to loads. Components: pre-tensioned steel cables or tendons, steel cables or tendons embedded in the concrete. Uses: bridges, high-rise buildings, parking structures, and other applications where high strength and durability are needed. And next, high performance concrete description: concrete with enhanced durability, workability, and strength beyond that of normal concrete. Components: special mix ratios, often with high performance cement additives and minimal water content. Uses: tall buildings, bridges, and structures where high load bearing capacity is essential. And lightweight concrete description: concrete with reduced density, made with lightweight aggregates like expanded polystyrene or perlite. Components of lightweight concrete: lightweight aggregates lightweight aggregates, Portland cement, and water. Uses: insulation, soundproofing, and as a structural material in high rise buildings. Self-compacting concrete description: concrete that can flow under the own weight, filling molds without the need for external vibration. Components: high fluidity mixed with super plasticizers and fine aggregates. And self-compacting concrete of uses: complex or intricate molds, densely reinforced structures, and areas that are hard to reach with traditional methods. Shotcrete sprayed concrete description: concrete applied by spraying it onto a surface at a high velocity, usually with a compressed air gun. Components: similar to normal concrete but applied using a specialized spraying technique. Uses: tunnel linings, swimming holes, and repairing structures. This is the shotcrete sprayed concrete. And next, air entrained concrete description: concrete that contains microscopic air bubbles to improve freeze the resistance. Components: regular concrete mixed with air entraining agents. Uses: pavements and structures exposed to freezing and thawing cycles. And next, geopolymer concrete description: concrete made from industrial byproducts like fly ash or slag, which is the bound by geopolymer materials instead of traditional Portland cement. And components of geopolymer concrete: fly ash, slag, and alkaline activators. And uses of geopolymer concrete: sustainable construction, especially in areas with a focus on minimizing carbon. This is the types of concrete. The article will explore the three most common types of concrete: cast in place, precast, and prestressed. Cast in place concrete is the most common types of concrete used in construction. It is made by casting mixture of cement, water, and aggregates. stones, racks, and etc. And this is the types of concrete. Thank you.